So we are now at section 3. What services can you offer as a beginner freelancer? So understanding the nuances of freelancing and the services you can offer as a beginner is essential for building a successful career. So let's delve into these aspects. So let's answer the question, what is a niche? So you always hear this in the world of freelancing and you ask, what is a niche? So in the freelancing world, so a niche refers to a specialized segment of the market where a freelancer focuses their services. This specialization allows freelancers to tailor their offerings, meet the specific needs of a particular audience, setting themselves apart in a competitive landscape. By honing in on a niche, freelancers can become experts in a specific area, so making their services more appealing to potential clients seeking specialized skills. So, identifying your niche involves assessing your strengths, interests, and market demand. So, it's about finding the intersection between what you excel at, what you enjoy, and what clients are seeking. So, for instance, if you have a passion for writing and interest in technology, so you might carve out a niche as a technology content writer. Specializing in a niche not only enhances your expertise, but also makes it easier to market your services and attract clients looking for specific skills. So when you check my website, my niche is in content creations, helping startups and founders grow online. So that's my niche. So you have to be very specific so that when clients look for those freelancers, then so you can offer your services. So, online services you can offer as a beginner. So embarking on your freelancing journey can be both exciting and daunting. So, starting with services that are in high demand and require minimal upfront investment can set you on the path to success. So, here are some online services suitable for beginners. Virtual assistants. So, as a virtual assistant, you provide admin support to businesses or entrepreneurs remotely. So, tasks may include managing emails, scheduling appointments, data entry, and other admin duties. So, this role requires strong organizational skills and proficiency with office software. Next is social media management. I am a social media manager. Businesses are continually seeking individuals to manage their social media presence. So, this involves creating engaging posts, responding to comments, analyzing metrics, and developing strategies to increase followers and engagement. This one, it's not about like posting. So, you have to create a strategy to increase the followers and engagement. You have to be familiar with social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, and Twitter. Okay, next is content writing. So, if you have a flair of writing, offering content creation services can be a lucrative option. So, this includes writing blog posts, articles, website content, and social media captions. So, strong grammar skills and the ability to research topics thoroughly are key to succeeding in this field. Next is video editing. So, one of my favorites is video editing because, of course, I'm also a content creator. So, the surge of video content across platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. So, video editing has become a sought after skill. So, beginners can start with user friendly software like CapCut to edit and create videos. So, you can focus tasks on like trimming footage, adding music, and incorporating simple effects. So, they updated on my video editing course. And then another one is customer support. So, many companies outsource their customer service operations to freelancers. These roles involve handling customer inquiries via chat, email, or phone, resolving issues, and providing product or service information. So, strong communication skills and a patient demeanor are essential for this position. So, starting with these services allows you to build a portfolio, gain experience, and identify which areas you are most passionate about. As you progress, you can further specialize, develop advanced skills, and expand your service offerings to cater to a broader client base. So, embarking on a freelancing career offers flexibility and the opportunity to turn your skills into a sustainable income. By understanding your niche and starting with beginner friendly services, you lay a strong foundation for long term success.